In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Toggl features comparison, which is better for project management. By the end, you'll understand exactly what each platform is built to do, how they help different kinds of teams, and how to decide which one fits your workflow, budget, and goals. Let's start with ClickUp. Think of it as an all-in-one work hub designed to replace a fragmented toolset and bring projects, conversations, and execution into one place. It's positioned as software that aims to save both money and time by addressing what it calls work sprawl, the loss of time and clarity when tasks, files, and updates are scattered across too many apps. At the heart of the platform is ClickUp Brain, an always-on intelligent assistant. It helps with quick answers and context, supports project organization, and speeds up input with AI talk to text, which is designed to help you capture ideas and updates more quickly. Beyond that, ClickUp bundles specialized AI agents to support specific functions. Project management agents track deliverables and remove busy work. Marketing agents draft copy to reduce time to publish. And software agents help produce higher quality code and keep engineering work moving smoothly. Operational agents streamline handoffs and status updates so leaders can close the gap between strategy and execution without constant check-ins. The promise here is measurable impact. Claims include a 384% return on investment, tens of thousands of hours saved, and payback in under 6 months. It's also an enterprise-grade platform trusted by a very large user base, with compliance standards like SOC 2 and GDPR built in. If your team needs a single command center tower where planning, coordination, and delivery all live together, and where AI can accelerate routine work, ClickUp is designed to be that operating system. Now let's look at Toggl Track. Instead of trying to be your project hub, Toggl focuses on one job and does it deeply. Time tracking that turns activity into clear, useful reports for productivity and profitability. Everything about the experience is designed to make adoption feel natural, so people actually use it every day. You'll find a clean calendar view for planning and recalling what you worked on, cross-platform apps on web, mobile, and desktop, and automated background tracking that stays private to individual users. That privacy emphasis runs through the entire product. Toggl follows an explicit anti-surveillance policy, meaning no screenshots, no camera tracking, and no invasive monitoring. The result is trust, which in turn supports better data quality and consistent usage. Toggl fits neatly into existing tool stacks with over 100 integrations, including popular systems like Jira, Salesforce, and Asana, so teams don't have to change where they work to capture time accurately. On outcomes, Toggl highlights results such as agencies saving around 80 hours per month and improving profitability by 20%. It also scales up and down effectively. Small teams can start on a generous forever free plan for up to 5 people, while larger organizations get enterprise support, dedicated customer success, ISO 27001 certification, and fast ROI, with typical payback reported at about 2.4 months. If your priority is visibility into where time goes, how to bill it, or how to increase margins without changing your existing project tools, Toggl is purpose-built for that. So, which is better for project management? It depends on what project management means for your team. If your definition includes planning, scoping, assigning, tracking deliverables, and keeping all work artifacts together, from docs and tasks to updates and approvals, ClickUp aligns with that end-to-end vision. The platform's AI capabilities help reduce manual coordination, and the compliance posture and scale make it suitable for organizations that need governance and standardization across departments. If, on the other hand, your projects already live across multiple tools, and your biggest gap is reliable, team-friendly time tracking that turns into reports for clients, leaders, or finance, Toggl is an excellent fit. Its emphasis on privacy over surveillance builds adoption without friction, and the cross-platform experience means people can track from anywhere without changing their habits. Security and trust are also worth factoring into your decision. ClickUp emphasizes enterprise-grade security and global standards like SOC2 and GDPR. Toggl brings ISO 27001 certification on the enterprise side and pairs that with a strong stance against invasive monitoring. If data protection and team trust are central to your culture, both have credible answers, but they answer different questions. ClickUp on platform hardening and compliance within a full work OS. Toggl on ethical time tracking that people don't resent using. Consider ROI and time to value as practical tiebreakers. ClickUp highlights significant time savings and payback in under 6 months, which makes sense if consolidating tools and automating coordination will remove major friction for you. Toggl's typical payback of 2.4 months can be compelling for services teams and firms that bill by the hour or need crisp utilization and profitability insights without changing their stack. Here's a simple way to choose. If you want a single place to plan and run projects while reducing context switching and manual follow-ups, prioritize ClickUp. If you want lightweight, trusted time tracking that plugs into what you already use and yields clear, custom reports, prioritize Toggl. Many teams find value in pairing both, using ClickUp for project execution and Toggl for time insights. But start with the platform that solves your biggest pain first. That's the comparison. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, leave a comment with your takeaways or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more guides like this.